Let's now answer question 3, which says the graph shown below is planar. How many faces does this graph have? Now, when it says planar, what that means is that we can redraw this thing such that none of the edges will intersect. So we have to draw it such that none of the edges intersect and then count how many faces it has. Now, in order to do that, it's going to be a little bit tricky because we actually have to redraw it. So what I'm going to do is just draw out my vertices first. It doesn't have to be pretty, but that's good. And then I've got that connection, that connection, that connection, that connection. I will leave that connection there, but this line right here, I will represent like that. My vertices are very ugly. Let me just make them a bit bigger. Cool. And then I'm going to say I have that connection there. I have that connection there. I have that connection there. Oh, this is getting ugly. Let me just move that there. 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 Not the prettiest graph in the world, but it'll do. And then I'm going to put this one. I'm going to put there. All right. Now that I've got that, I'm going to count up how many faces I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 on the outside. So my answer to this will be 7. Let's now look at the examiner's report. It says redraw 2 edges that appear to cross over another edge as shown below, then count the faces as shown below. And that's it. That's what you did. That's what we did. Ours looks a little different, but that's because there's different ways you can redraw this. Cool.